Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Bitdefender free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this will apply for other versions of Windows as well, but this happens to be on a Windows 11 computer, so that's why it's going to be Windows 11. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Set your view by to large icons and then select Programs and Features. Select Bitdefender Antivirus Free and then select Uninstall. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select Yes. You can close out of any pop-up browsers or surveys it asks you for. Okay, so select Finish. And then I also recommend uninstalling the Bitdefender agent and then select Uninstall for that as well. And once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.